Welcome students to our part 3 of chapter 2nd, practice set 9. Question number 2. Write 3 division of integers such that the fractional form of each will be 24 by 5. Now children, we have to find 3 division of integers. To get this 3 division of integers of this number, what we have to do, write this number 24 upon 5, multiply this both the numbers of numerator and denominator by 2. First you can multiply by 2. So what you will get, 24 2s is 4 2s 8, 2 2s 4, 48, 5 2s is 10. So you got it 48 divided by 10. Children, 48 divided by 10, if you divide it by 2, you will get it what? 48 divided by 2. If you divide 48 by 2, children, you will get 24. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. And 2's table 10 comes, 2 5s are 10. So what is that? You got it this, 24 by 5. So what is the first? We got it 48 divided by 10. This is your first division. After reducing this, you will get it 24 by 5. Similarly, for getting second, you can take it 24 by 5 and you can multiply it by 3. It should be equivalent. So 24 3s is what? 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7, and 5 3s are is 15. So next division you got it as 72 divided by 15. If you divide 72 by 15, if you reduce it, you will get it 24 by 5. Now again one more we want how many? 3. So for getting the third one, you can take the same fraction 24 upon 5. Now we have multiplied first by 2, second time we have multiplied by 3. You can take it by any number. Now I am taking it by say 5. So 24 5s are 24 5s are 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10 and 2 12, 5 5s are 25. So 120 upon 25. If you reduce it, you will get it 24 upon 5. So the third one is 120 divided by 25. So all these three are the division of integers whose fractional form is 24 by 5. Similarly, see the question number 3. Question number 2, question number 3 is similar. Write 3 division of integers such that the fractional form of each will be minus 5 upon 7. Now we want which number? Minus 5 upon 7. And again we want 3 division of integers. So first number you have to take that fractional form and you will multiply it by 2. First you multiply it by 2. So after multiplying it, what you will get? 5 2s is 10, 7 2s is 14. Here it is minus. So minus plus is minus. So we will give the sign minus. So what is the first number we got it? Minus 10 divided by 14. See the second. For getting second, again take this fraction minus 5 upon 7. Now you multiply by 3. So minus 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15, 7 3s are 21. Here minus plus is minus. So what is the next? We got it minus 15 divided by 21. One more we want. Take the same fraction. Now you will multiply by 4. Any number you can take. I have taken first by 2, 3. You can take it by 8, 7, 6, whatever you want. 5 4s are 20, 7 4s are 28. Sign minus plus minus. So the answer is minus 20 divided by 28. Minus 20 divided by 28. So these are the 3 division of integers. If they are reduced, you will get this form minus 5 upon 7. Children, see our question number 4. The fish in the pond below carries some numbers. Here it is this fish pond. It carrying some numbers. What we have to do? Choose any 4 pairs. How many pairs we have to find out, children? 4 pairs, and carry out 4 multiplications with those numbers. Now choose 4 other pairs and carry out division. So children, we have to choose 4 pairs from these numbers. First for carrying multiplication, and then we have to carry out the division. Now children, see the first number. I will one number they have given to us, minus 13 multiplied by 15. From here only you have to choose the numbers from the fish pond. Minus 13 multiplied by 15, the answer is 195. Minus is plus, so no need. From here only for division also they have chosen the numbers. Minus 24 divide by 9. So minus 24 divide means upon 9. This both will go in the table of 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9. So the answer is minus 8 upon 3. Now children, let us find how many pairs we want. We want 4 pairs. So I am finding 2 pairs. Remaining 2 pairs you all find it out. See, the first pair, from these only we have to choose for multiplication. I am taking minus 13 and 8. So minus 13 multiplied by minus 8. 13 8s are 8 3s are 21, 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 8 1s are 8, then 104. See the sign, minus minus plus, plus no need of giving. Similarly, second example, you can choose any 2 numbers for multiplication. So here I am taking it as 12 and 8. So plus 12 and I am taking minus 8. So children, multiply those numbers first. 12 8s are, 12 8s is what? 96. Plus minus is what children? Minus. So we have to put the sign minus. So I have solved the two examples. More 2 you will have to solve it. From this pond only we have to choose any 2 numbers and multiply them. Similarly children, we have to find out 4 examples of divisions also. So let's choose any 2 numbers for division. See, one is they have already given us. I am taking it as minus 15 and 9. Minus 15 divide by plus 9. So write them in fraction form first children. Minus 15 upon 9 plus 9. Both the numbers will go in which table? 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. So what is the answer? 5 upon 3. Minus plus is what? Minus. So give the sign minus. So first number we got is minus 15 divided by plus 9. One more I am taking. I will take it as minus 15 and minus 18. Minus 15 divided by minus 18. Write them in fraction form. Minus 15 divide means upon minus 18. Reduce these 2 numbers. See the table in which both the numbers will go. 3's table. 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. So what fraction we got? Reduced fraction 5 upon 6. Minus minus is plus. Plus we are not putting. So we got 2 examples. 2 more in both multiplication and division you will find out. So here our chapter ends of chapter 2nd. In the further video I will upload some assignments for you. Till then, goodbye.